But first, the Ranch for Kids in Rexford is attempting to move forward after 27 children were removed from that facility after numerous abuse allegations. The ranch is fighting to get its license renewed following those allegations of child abuse and neglect. MTN's Marin Sue spoke with the Department of Public Health and Human Services and the director of the Ranch for Kids to find out what's next.
It was here John Ebelt with Department of Public Health and Human Services explains on July 23rd, DPHHS suspended Ranch for Kids' license to operate over allegations including students being hit, kicked, body slammed, and spit on by staff and continuing psychological abuse. Now Ebelt says Ranch for Kids is fighting back.
To receive a fair hearing on the action taken on the license, we needed to receive a written request for a hearing within 10 days, and that's happened now.
When MTN News last spoke with Ranch for Kids director William Sutley, he said he looked forward to having his license renewed.
This will be a process where there will be hearings and that sort of thing, that evidence should be able to be presented on both sides, and I want that process to unfold. It's going to probably take weeks, months, and I don't know how long that is going to be. Hopefully it can happen as quickly as possible.
Sutley explains Ranch for Kids offers structure and discipline for children suffering with reactive attachment disorder and fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. He says children with these disorders create a volatile home life. Sutley hopes to have the facility reopened soon to continue their mission, helping families cope with challenging children.
That's my first priority, is to support these parents in need. That's our vision. We don't exist for any other reason other than to help these families.
While no court date is set, Ebelt says almost all the children removed are now reunited with their parents. In the near future, Ebelt says the state health department plans to change licensing rules for facilities similar to Ranch for Kids.
It's the rules that would impact ones that are currently licensed or ones that apply for a license in the future.
Ebelt says this rule-changing process will take time and would need to be presented to the Secretary of State and the public. In Kalispell, Marin Sue, MTN News.